Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable lock instantly with side key on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on lock screen. Next, tap on secure lock settings. Now you need to put in the current screen pin or password. From here, tap on lock instantly with side key. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now if I turn it on and if I press on the side key, my phone will lock straight away. And let's say that if smart lock is in effect, the phone will stay unlocked. So here if I press on the lock button, you can see my phone will immediately lock the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.